Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. I'm Priscilla. That's Ritzy. And I think it's time the shade cloth comes off. Come check it out. Okay, it's the next day. You see, the shade cloth is gone, but I have a ton of grass still. So come along. I'm gonna get all that done. I'll do a time lapse. I don't want to bore you, but let's go get it done. Come on. Okay, I don't know if you saw my last video regarding my little new tool, but check it out. So grass is still here, but look at how much it's grown already. So crazy. So I told my husband, you know, pretty soon it's going to be winter and we won't have all this grass anymore, but I'm really going to try hard to find some wood chips that I can put on this grass and maybe deter it just a little bit. It's a little annoying, but I'm pretty excited. I think my plants are happy. It's just been overnight and yeah, things just are looking kind of happy to me. Yeah. All right, let's get busy. What do you think, Ritzy Roo? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? What? What? Are you gonna be cute? Are you gonna be cute? Are you gonna be cute? We know you're cute all the time, but when I put your camera on, you're so boring. Yes, sir. You're so boring. Where's the buggies? Get the buggies. Where's the buggies? Where's the buggies? Get the buggies. No? Okay, we gotta move so I can do my camera. You gotta move. Okay. Crazy girl. Ooh, okay, so I hit a sunflower stalk in my garden bed at the other end, And yeah, I bent my blade on my new tool. So I was gonna need the edge anyway, so let's go ahead and get that done. Well, now my little weed eater etcher thing isn't working. I think we're gonna have to take that one back. All right, well, let's see what else we can get into, or I may just end it. Let's see. Daddy fixing the tool? I don't think so. I think it's broken. I think it's broken, Ruru. Pretty Carol. Mama's Ritzy Roo. What you hear? What did you hear?